In today's video, we're answering a question a lot of Discord users are asking right now. Is it possible to get the Active Developer Badge on Discord? The short answer is no, and I'm going to explain exactly why, what changed, and what that means for your account. If you find this kind of Discord tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick guides, updates, and answers to common platform questions. It really helps the channel grow, and it means you won't miss future Discord videos. Let's get straight into it. The Active Developer Badge on Discord was permanently discontinued. That means it is no longer available to claim, no longer something you can unlock through an eligibility step, and no longer something you can earn by completing a setup process. In other words, if you were hoping to get the badge today, there is currently no official way to do that. Now, this is an important detail. Discord didn't just pause the badge temporarily. The badge program itself was removed. So if you go looking for a claim page, a verification menu, or an application flow inside Discord, you won't find one anymore. The system that once handled the badge is gone. And that also means existing badges were removed from profiles. So even if someone had the badge before, Discord has already taken it away as part of the update. This is why you may see older videos, screenshots, or tutorials online that talk about getting the badge, but those instructions are now outdated. If you're trying to figure out whether there is some hidden workaround, the answer is still no. There is no eligibility system anymore, no official claim page, and no supported method to activate or request the badge. Any video, post, or comment claiming otherwise should be treated very carefully, because the badge is not currently available through legitimate Discord settings. So what should you do instead? If your goal is to make your Discord profile stand out, you can still focus on other parts of your server and developer presence. You can build and showcase bots, create useful apps, improve your community, and make sure your profile and server are set up professionally. But for the Active Developer Badge specifically, there is nothing to apply for right now. A lot of users ask this question because they hear about developer badges and assume there must still be a way to earn them. But in this case, Discord has made the decision to remove the program entirely. So the most accurate answer is simple. No, you cannot get the Active Developer Badge on Discord anymore. If you were searching for this because you saw the badge on someone else's profile in an old screenshot, that likely came from before the removal. Discord has since updated the system, and the badge is no longer part of the current profile experience. So to recap, the Active Developer Badge was permanently discontinued. It is no longer claimable, existing badges were removed, and there is no eligibility system or claim page left to use. That is the current status as of now. If this video saved you time, please hit like and subscribe for more clear, up-to-date tech answers. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video about how Discord badges work now and what profile features are still available today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.